This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Greek pasta salad updated. Cook 12 Oz pasta to al dente, drain and cool, toss with chopped cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and sliced pepperoncini. Add 6 Oz crumbled feta and 1 cup pitted Kalamata olives. Whisk 1/3 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 clove garlic, 1 tsp dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Combine and chill briefly before serving for best flavor. Let me walk you through simple prep steps that make a big difference. Chop cucumbers, have cherry tomatoes, and thinly slice red onion for balanced bites. Crumble 6 Oz feta and pit 1 cup Kalamata olives if needed. Cook and cool pasta, then toss everything gently so the feta stays creamy and the veggies keep crunch. Taste and adjust with salt, pepper, or a squeeze of lemon for brightness. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more content you love. Quick recommendation. I keep a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth nearby for light reading between kitchen tasks because smart money habits free you to enjoy good food without stress. Check the description for the link and other deals, and hey, thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. A simple dressing ties everything together and stays light on the palate. Combine 1/3 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 tsp dried oregano, 1 clove minced garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk until emulsified. Toss warm or cooled pasta gently with the dressing so shapes hold and the feta remains textured. Let the salad rest 15 to 30 minutes so flavors marry, then serve chilled or at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.